Yeah. Oh God. Oh, okay. Okay, this is too close. This is too close.
There's no way you're putting batteries in there.
It's lit up though. It's lit up. Your mom's telling me it's lit up. She thinks I'm a complete idiot.
Why is that one up?
That's because you married him.
I just put batteries in it and I put the cap on.
I lighted it.
I put batteries in it.
It's lighting up saying they ain't got no batteries in it.
Wally's the battery person.
There ain't no batteries in there.
What the heck's this thing? What is this? Kiki. I think we can get her to play with Kirby. Touch that button. Oh. What are you doing to it? You're torturing it. What are you doing? What? Play. Oh. Watching our movie. Oh. Her eyes turn red. Watching. Where's the box for it? I need the box for it. I need to look at it. Whoa! What the heck? I'm trying to figure out.
I gave her the package instructions.
Oh, so that's how she did this. Yeah, press her nose. Potter, I'm scratching her. Whoa. He's so confused. Okay. Why won't she move? She's pouncing. Then why is she not jumping? I don't know what she's doing. Let her go. You killed her. Stop it. That's what she did when her eyes turned green. Why is she doing that? Because it's off. You turned it off. Now her eyes are red. I mean green. Turn it back on. She is on. No. Yeah. Look, turn it on. It's on. But nothing's happening. No. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. It needs to refresh. Now tap this button. Whoa! There she goes. You have to put it far away. Why is she not doing it? The ball's too high.